Content gap analysis using competitor AI tools, strategic opportunity identification. In today's highly competitive digital marketing arena, businesses that rely on conjecture for their content strategies often face significant disadvantages. Content gap analysis has evolved from a manual, labor-intensive process into a refined, AI-driven strategic advantage, distinguishing market leaders from their peers. At Casey's SEO Tools, we have observed directly how businesses enhance their online presence when they employ the capabilities of AI-powered competitor analysis to pinpoint and capitalize on strategic content opportunities. The field of content marketing has fundamentally shifted. Recent market analyses indicate businesses utilizing AI-driven competitor analysis tools observe up to a 40% improvement in content performance metrics compared to those relying on conventional methods. This extends beyond merely keeping pace with competitors'. Information technology involves methodically identifying overlooked areas in your content strategy while discovering opportunities your competition has yet to recognize. The evolution of AI-powered content gap analysis. Historically, content gap analysis involved teams manually researching competitor websites, dissecting their content themes, and endeavoring to identify missing opportunities. This process often consumed weeks and frequently missed nuanced insights capable of driving substantial traffic growth. Modern AI tools have transformed this methodology by processing vast amounts of competitor data in real time, identifying patterns human analysts might overlook, and providing actionable recommendations based on extensive market intelligence. The incorporation of multimodal AI analysis marks a significant advancement in competitor intelligence. These systems now analyze text, images, videos, and social media content simultaneously, offering a full understanding of competitor strategies. This extensive approach reveals content gaps across various formats, extending beyond written content, which allows businesses to formulate more refined content strategies. AI tools such as SEMrush, BuzzSumo, and emerging platforms like Competely AI have reshaped the approach businesses take to competitive intelligence. These platforms do not merely identify competitor activities, they analyze performance metrics, audience engagement patterns, and content effectiveness to highlight specific opportunities for strategic advantage. Structured approach for AI-driven content gap identification. Successful content gap analysis necessitates a methodical approach exceeding superficial competitor observation. The most effective strategies combine multiple AI tools to establish a sophisticated competitive intelligence system. This multi-tool usage offers cross-validation of insights and guards against overlooking key opportunities. The initial step involves establishing baseline metrics for your current content performance. Tools like our Content Analyzer assist businesses in understanding their existing content landscape before proceeding to competitor analysis. This groundwork is fundamental, as comprehending one's current standing shapes the interpretation of competitor insights and the prioritization of opportunities. Modern AI platforms distinguish themselves in keyword gap analysis, a foundational element of strategic content planning. These tools identify keywords your competitors rank for that you do not, and crucially, they examine search intent patterns and content formats proven to generate engagement. This analysis reveals not just which topics to cover, but how to approach them for maximum impact. Connecting with existing business systems has gained increasing importance for strategic decision-making. When AI competitor analysis tools integrate with CRM and ERP systems, businesses can align content strategies with sales data, customer feedback, and operational capabilities. This integration validates that identified opportunities are both strategically aligned and operationally feasible. Effective implementation for strategic advantage. The most successful content gap analysis implementations adhere to specific practices that maximize both the accuracy and actionability of insights. These practices have been refined through extensive testing and practical application across numerous businesses. Institute thorough competitor monitoring. Begin by identifying your actual competitive environment, which often extends beyond obvious direct competitors. Employ AI tools to examine businesses' ranking for your target keywords, catering to similar audiences, or addressing analogous pain points. Set up automated monitoring for at least 10 to 15 competitors to ensure extensive coverage. Configure alerts for new content publication, keyword ranking changes, and significant traffic shifts. Conduct multi-faceted analysis. Avoid restricting analysis to keywords and topics. Contemporary AI tools can dissect content structure, user engagement patterns, social media performance, and technical SEO factors. Utilize tools like our enhanced competitor analyzer to collect extensive data across various dimensions. This method uncovers opportunities in content format, distribution strategy, and audience engagement tactics. Prioritize opportunities by strategic value. AI tools often identify hundreds of potential content gaps. Formulate a scoring system that accounts for search volume, competitive intensity, alignment with organizational objectives, and resource needs. Concentrate on opportunities providing the most favorable combination of traffic potential and strategic congruence. This prioritization ensures efficient resource allocation and the greatest impact from content investments. Develop adaptive content calendars. Transform gap analysis insights into actionable content plans using AI-powered planning tools. These systems can suggest optimal publishing schedules, content formats, and distribution strategies based on competitor analysis and audience behavior patterns. Regular updates to content calendars based on ongoing competitor monitoring ensure strategies remain current and efficacious. Track performance and refine strategies. Establish continuous monitoring systems to track the performance of content developed to address identified gaps. Use AI analytics to measure traffic growth, engagement improvements, and ranking progress. This data feeds back into the gap analysis process, refining future opportunity identification and strategic planning. Incorporate cross-platform intelligence. Expand analysis beyond organic search to encompass social media, paid advertising, email marketing, and other content distribution channels. Extensive competitor intelligence identifies opportunities across all marketing channels and supports cohesive strategic planning. Common challenges and strategic solutions. Despite the capabilities of AI-driven content gap analysis, businesses frequently encounter specific challenges that can undermine strategic effectiveness. Understanding these challenges and implementing proven solutions is essential for success. Excessive data and decision inertia. AI tools generate enormous amounts of competitive intelligence data, often overwhelming marketing teams and leading to delayed decision-making. The resolution involves establishing structured data filtering and prioritization systems. Use AI tools that offer customizable dashboards and automated reporting focused on high-priority metrics. Establish clear criteria for opportunity evaluation and adhere to systematic decision-making processes. Tools like our Content Creator Automation tool can facilitate the process from analysis to content creation. Discrepancy between insights and organizational capacity. Many businesses identify excellent content opportunities but lack the resources, expertise, or infrastructure to execute effectively. Addressing this challenge necessitates an honest assessment of organizational capabilities and strategic planning that aligns opportunities with available resources. Develop content creation workflows that scale with your team's capabilities and consider outsourcing or tool automation for areas where internal resources are limited. Obsolete or imprecise competitive intelligence. Dependence on outdated competitor data results in missed opportunities and misdirected strategies. The digital environment changes rapidly, and yesterday's insights may not reflect today's opportunities. Implement real-time monitoring systems and establish regular review cycles for competitive intelligence. Use multiple AI tools to cross-validate insights and ensure accuracy of strategic recommendations. Absence of strategic integration. Many businesses treat content gap analysis as a standalone activity rather than incorporating insights into broader marketing and business strategies. This disassociation diminishes the strategic value of competitive intelligence and constrains growth potential. Establish formal processes for incorporating gap analysis insights into strategic planning, budget allocation, and performance measurement systems. Regulatory considerations and compliance requirements. As AI-powered competitor analysis grows in sophistication, businesses must navigate growing regulatory examination concerning data collection, privacy protection, and competitive intelligence practices. The European Union's Digital Services Act and similar regulations worldwide are establishing new requirements for AI system transparency and data handling practices. Privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA influence how businesses may collect and analyze competitor data, especially when such data contains customer information or personal identifiers. Ensure that AI tools used for competitor analysis comply with applicable privacy regulations and implement appropriate data handling procedures. Intellectual property considerations gain heightened importance as AI tools advance in analyzing and replicating competitor strategies. While analyzing publicly available content is generally permissible, businesses must be careful to avoid copyright infringement or trade secret misappropriation when implementing insights from competitive intelligence. Measuring success and ROI from AI-driven content strategies. The definitive measure of any content gap analysis strategy lies in measurable business results. Effective implementations typically demonstrate improvements in organic traffic, search engine rankings, and audience engagement within 90 days of strategy deployment. However, measuring success necessitates defining suitable metrics and tracking systems prior to initiating analysis. Performance indicators should encompass both leading and lagging metrics. Leading indicators such as content publication velocity, keyword ranking improvements, and social media engagement provide early signals of strategy effectiveness. Lagging indicators like organic traffic growth, conversion rate improvements, and revenue attribution illustrate long-term strategic success. Advanced AI analytics platforms now offer refined attribution modeling that connects content gap analysis insights to business outcomes. These systems track the customer journey from initial content discovery through conversion, providing clear ROI calculations for content investments based on competitive intelligence. Future trends and strategic preparation. The incorporation of AI tools for content gap analysis will continue to advance rapidly through 2025 and beyond. Emerging trends include real-time content optimization based on competitor actions, predictive analytics for content opportunity discovery, and automated content creation systems that respond to competitive intelligence insights. Multimodal AI analysis will extend beyond present capabilities to include voice content, augmented reality experiences, and interactive media formats. Organizations that prepare for these developments by instituting adaptable content creation systems and extensive competitive monitoring will retain strategic advantages as the environment evolves. The incorporation of AI competitor analysis with business intelligence systems will grow in sophistication, enabling automatic strategic adjustments based on competitive intelligence insights. This evolution will require businesses to develop more sophisticated data management capabilities and strategic planning processes. Taking action, your strategic next steps. Achieving success in AI-driven content gap analysis demands immediate action coupled with long-term strategic foresight. Commence by conducting a thorough audit of your current content performance using tools like our website Keyword Finder. To establish baseline metrics. This groundwork allows for precise measurement of improvement stemming from competitive intelligence initiatives. Establish systematic competitor monitoring using multiple AI platforms to ensure extensive coverage and cross-validation of insights. Concentrate on actionable opportunities that align with your organizational capabilities and strategic objectives, rather than attempting to address every identified gap instantly. The organizations that prosper in 2025 will be those that regard AI-powered content gap analysis as a core strategic capability, rather than a tactical marketing activity. By deploying sophisticated competitive intelligence systems today, You position your organization to capitalize on opportunities while competitors contend with outdated manual analysis methods. At Casey's SEO Tools, we have assisted hundreds of businesses in Colorado Springs and beyond in refining their content strategies through AI-driven competitive intelligence. The tools and strategies detailed in this analysis represent validated approaches that yield measurable results when applied systematically and strategically. The prospect for strategic advantage through AI-powered content gap analysis has never been more significant. The question is not whether to adopt these strategies, but how swiftly one can establish the systems and processes required to capitalize on the competitive intelligence revolution that is reshaping digital marketing success. All content was created using our SEO tools. Not all information in the articles may be correct as these were posted unedited. Casey Miller. Building SEO tools for small businesses to generate leads for a fraction of the cost.